Hey guys, and on today's item shop we're looking at a few things. It's everything kind of red here, so you guys will notice that right now with today's item shop everything looks red. So right here we have all these skins available at the moment. So let's start off with Oppressor, which is one of my favorite skins for sure. Plus we got the Plasmatic Edge. Next up we got Dominion, plus a very cool backbling for it. Next up, Malice. Again, the back bling goes perfect with skin. And an all-time favorite from everybody, Red Knight. With obviously its back bling that goes perfect with this type of skin. And of course we got a few others, such as Scully right here, with a pretty cool back bling. And we also have this skin right here. And of course let's not forget about this harvesting tool, which is pretty neat. Last but not least, some emotes. And for 200 V-Bucks, this one's not bad. And one of my personal favorites, right here, Sit Up. Now let's not forget about some of the harvesting tools, which also includes this one, and some of the wraps such as this one right here, this one that's really neat, and my personal favorite glider. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.